Good day, I'm Mark. I'm more than 30 times Airbnb superhost, and today we're talking about 12 Airbnb challenges that we hosts face, issues, opportunities, and solutions. Stay tuned. You have probably noticed that Airbnb challenges are becoming more and more relevant, along with the growing popularity of this platform. While it can be a superb source of income, it also comes with several difficulties. Did you know that we collected 12 the most common ones over 10 years of practice, and by implementing them, you can double your income? Reviews and reputation on Airbnb. Did you know that if you address this issue correct, you can improve your conversion rate by almost 30%. Reviews and reputation are critical to host success on Airbnb. Negative reviews can harm a host's reputation and make it difficult to attract guests. Almost certainly, it's going to kill your reservations. And most interesting thing is that it may not even be about the apartment. It could be about communication or other things. Apartment or property, right? So let me give you some tips how to boost your Airbnb reviews. First of all, write an accurate description. Do not promise anything that you don't have. Make sure that the listing description is detailed, accurate, and up to date. Include all necessary amenities, location, attraction, transportation, everything what you can include, what could be a value for your guests. Communicate clearly. Be responsive and communicate clearly with guests before, during, and after their stay. Answer any questions they may have and make sure that they have all information they need to have a comfortable stay. This is my favorite part. We prepare communication templates for every single property, and I really want to make sure that the guest is comfortable right now, while they are staying in the property, before they go into property, right? And after they leave in the property, we send reminders, we set friendly communication, and we want to make sure that everything is perfect and we have only necessary communication, right? So the guest can pay attention and get some value out of this communication. Provide excellent customer service. Be attentive to guests' needs and help them during their stay. Address any issues or concerns promptly and professionally. This is a very important part. We had nasty experience with maintenance and many other things. But at the same time, we were reacting very, very fast on any challenges that were going on with the specific building. And guess what? Our guests, they were always happy about our service. Keep the space clean and well maintained. Well, I will share a secret with you. After the cleaning is over, I regularly go and check our properties with white handkerchief, right? So I'm cleaning in all places you cannot even predict. And I would love to see one special sign under the bed. We cleaned here too. So I want to make sure that everything is cleaned, right? So my control are cleaned, all furniture, behind the bed, behind the curtains, everything is cleaned and everywhere. By doing those procedures and checking your cleaning regularly, you will attract a lot of guests and they will be happy with your cleaning standards. Add personal touches. Provide small touches that make the guest feel welcome. such as fresh flowers, maybe welcome breakfast, welcome basket, or handwritten note. Invent something that's really local and that can help the guests to feel welcome. Motivate guests to leave positive reviews by offering incentives or asking for feedback at the end of their stay. Read your reviews regularly and promptly address any feedback, especially negative ones. I'm a very big fan to address positive reviews. By addressing those reviews, address specific things that I can mention about this guest. It really helps. It really shows the potential guests that you really care.